Orere bururi urathi na mbere na kugumirwo ni ikereka ria keri ria king'uki gia Covid-19. Ciuria cia kana counties ni cibangite uria gubatie kungethanira na king'uki giki ni ciyumiririe muthenya wa umuthi mucemanio uria utabanirio gatagati ka kamiti ya Senate igii ugima wa mwigi na kanju ya mangavana, ruhonge rwa kemri na honge itiganite cia ugima wa mwigi. Okuderu wa arigitani umwe na wagi wa kigina ni mamwe ma mihinga iria gumiire counties bara-ini ya kurua na Covid-19, kuona amwe a arigitani matirihitwo mishara yao ihinda-ini ria mieri 3 mithiru, undu uria maugite mahota kuiga miro yao thi.
As a governor, I am under extreme pressure. I don't want my people to go on a strike. Nobody wants to see those strikes. So we have raised these issues, we have met finance, we've done everything possible, Chair. The problem is not raising. I think we have a much more serious problem, and it's only the Senate that can actually help us.
Kamiti ino ni yuririe kanju ya mangavana itaririe makinya maria matashukitie kurumirira mateta ma arigitani kwaga mishara, undu uria uroneka kurituhia murigo makiria kuona bururi uri ikereka-ini ria keri ria kurua na king'uki gia Covid-19. Deto igii uhuthiku wa kigina kiria kierekereirio kuri county ni yonekanire kurehe urugari muingi. Governor James Ongwae agikorwo na ihinda iritu gutariria mbere ya kamiti ino iria yugite ni gukuruhania ruhonge rwa thuthuria niguo kuhithuria kana kuri na mbeca cihuthikite uria gutafatie.
We have a serious problem with budget, not budget but with the resource flow. The last time we received the resources was in August. We need a meeting between Senate and COG very seriously, Chair, on this particular matter, so that you can hear the type of problems that we are running through.
Hamwe noguo ruhonge rwa kemri ni rugite ni runyitanire na Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri niguo kugacirithia motungata mega kuri muingi na muno makiria kuri counties ta cia Mandera na Turkana na ingi iria itari na uhoti wa kuigana guthomithia muingi mitaratara na mawatho ma Covid-19. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a.